in a finance team in the item, sometimes you'll come across a situation where your costs are not populated within the item card. And so what this means is we would end up wanting to calculate our standard costs. And how we do that for our produced product. So this particular item is a produced item, very similar for assembled items as well. I can go to related bill of materials. I'm going to go down to production and I'm going to say calculate production standard cost. Now, being that we could be working in multi-level bill of materials, we've got the option here, top level or all levels. And as I hit that and I hit OK, our cost has now been populated at $243.79. And so that's come from the relative structure that's rolling this up from the components to the time and the cost of these times defined within the work centers for this particular item card. Now, if you're using assemblies under the bill of materials and assemblies, you have the same where you can calculate the assembly standard cost. It also does give you the feature where you can calculate your unit price, all right? And it doesn't do that in production. So the unit price here is effectively saying, roll up the value of kitting all these items together and give me a total sale price, which is quite useful. So calculating standard costs within Business Central for assemblies or production, super quick. And the amount of time I've sat with production people, with a finance team, and they believe they know how much their item costs to make, and we run a proper BOM, and it's got accurate details, then they roll up the cost and they're blown away. It's mind-numbing. Very cool feature. Cool.